Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Sfat. I want to share with you the movements for the 38th day of the 40 days of challenge and centering, which extend from the 19th of Tammuz to the 29th of Av. So this is using the Alef of Adonai. It's the fourth column that we've done of the 10 sefirot, and we've come down. Now we're on the 8th sefirot down from the top at Hod. We have 2 more to go. And the Alef of Adonai, let me show that to you first again. It's combined with the Kubutz for Hod. So the Alef, you can close each time. Trying to get a distance here that works. I think this works pretty well. So this time I'm going to close each time at the end of each Alef. Sometimes I do the alternating Alef. So the Alef again is going to one side. When you're alternating, you turn the toe in and go to the other side. This is a good pattern to do as a focusing on how to be out in the world in all directions and coming back to yourself, the oneness of the Alef. And the nikudah that we do, the Kubutz, is the 3 dots at an angle. So if we step to the side, feet shoulder width apart, parallel to each other, center to keep our center, and then turning to the left. Ooh, 3 dots, one my mouth, one the hand across, and one the hand farther out. It's a sense of modifying your priorities when you're communicating with somebody else through empathizing with them and knowing the language to use, refining your way of communication to be able to reach them. It's one way to explain Hod. Yielding to the situation it is and being able to keep your center even as you interact in different situations, meet different challenges. Ooh. And then I go in various directions because it's also the aesthetic quality. It's the ability to see from many perspectives. Ooh. And in front. Ooh. 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 So I'm going to do this combination with the Alef and the Kubutz 10 times, starting with Keter and going through my body internally, mentally focusing on a different part of the body. I take it all the way down. Ending with the active Malchut and then into the passive Malchut of receiving God's breath. So the receptive Malchut. So starting with Keter, Alef, crossing over because Keter's centered letter. Ooh. Hod is on the right. Back up a little bit here. Not Hod. Chachma's on the right. Chachma, wisdom, one point of knowing. Pointed sense of vision, and then Hod. And then Bina's on the left. Ooh. Hesed on the right. Gevurah on the left. And I'm going to start sefirot on the right and cross over. Netzach on the right. Hold on the left. Yesod on the right, crossing over. Malchut on the left, crossing over.
Now, Moshe, I want you to drink some orange juice, please, before you go to play. Okay?
And then receiving Malchut, letting Hashem breathe me, centering, grounding,
I want you to drink orange juice.
feeling that center column as the energy goes through me from Keter all the way down to my feet into the Repesit, down into the ground beneath. So if you notice, I'm still using the rainbow colors and using orange for Hod today, and a combination of purple and blue for the pathway of the Alef between Hesed and Gevurah. Purple as Hesed and blue as Gevurah. And I have a necklace with the Kohen hands, because Hod is the place of Aaron HaKohen, a place of channeling healing energy into the world. So may we bless each other that we can accept and yield to the reality that faces us in a way that we keep our center and know how to modify our own priorities appropriate to the situation, to the person, have empathy for other people and see from many perspectives and channel our God energy in a healing way into this world. Many blessings to you on this 38th day of the 40 days of challenge and sin.